Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add machines to a given production area. We've already created and connected the areas. Rim forming is our first one. And now we'll add machines to it. You add a machine with the Add Machine button. A pop-up appears where you pick the machine for this area from a list. This list shows every machine we connected to the machine field at the very beginning, if you remember the field binding. For this area, RF1 belongs here. I save it. Then I add the next one, RF2, and so on, for every machine that belongs to the area. Clicking this button, you can also create a virtual machine. This helps when a single machine runs parallel production. With the same cycle time, it makes not one, but 2 or 3 products at once. In that case, it's worth splitting the machine into several virtual machines. For example, I create a virtual machine, RF5, set its cycle time, and link it to the machine that actually produces, here, RF1. After saving, RF5 shows up as a virtual machine. You can add as many of these as you need. This is how you split one machine into several virtual ones. I don't need it now, though, so I'll delete it. You set up the other production areas the same way. Thanks for watching.